In this video, I am going to show you how to turn on flashlight on Vivo phones by shaking the phone like this. By default, when you shake the phone like this, the flashlight is not turned on. If you want to turn on this feature, what you can do is you can open settings on your phone. Under settings, you need to scroll down and select shortcuts and accessibility. Under shortcuts and accessibility, you need to click on smart motion. Under smart motion, you can see there is an option called as shake to turn on flashlight. You need to enable this option. You need to go back to the home screen. We are on the home screen and the flashlight is turned off. Simply shake it like this. Here you can see that the flashlight is turned on. To turn off, simply use the toggles. You can use shake to turn on flashlight feature on the lock screen also. Lock the phone and simply shake like this. Here you can see that the flashlight is turned on. So that's it guys. In this way you can enable shake to turn on flashlight feature on Vivo phones running on Funtouch OS. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.